If you're moving with people who have the same mindset, who have their goals, who are achieving their goals, you would definitely want to thrive to get yours. Investing in crypto, I mean, you have to do your own due diligence. I am not a professional. I am not an expert. This is not financial advice. I have been studying this and I have put my money where my mouth is, and I have also understand the system. I also watch people. I have somebody who I'm now very close to, that she's also a professional. She's like a professor, and then she's also into crypto. She's investing, she's taking profit. You know, what's there not to do? Hi family, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't make this your last of seeing this face. Subscribe to this channel, click the notification, and give this video a like, because that's going to help me help my channel to grow and suggest my video to people. This is an update on my crypto investments. So as you see in the title, I am yes. So let me tell you the difference between a crypto millionaire and a real millionaire. The crypto millionaire is a DJ, is a millionaire in the crypto world. Like in crypto world, you can have some coins. So that is why I said I'm a crypto millionaire, not a USD millionaire, a US dollar millionaire. Yeah, let's clear that. But how did I get into that, and what was my initial investment? That I'm going to share with you. So today, as you've seen the title, I'm going to be sharing with you, yeah, my portfolio, and update you. I'm going to be sharing with you my portfolio and update you on my crypto journey. If you're moving with people who have the same mindset, who have their goals, who are achieving their goals, you would definitely want to thrive to get yours. So that is one of the reasons why I continue to do the turnover with the crypto what I have. I told you in my last video that I did different investment. I have I spread it as, I just want to make passive income through every form that I can make it from. It's not about just working 9 to 5 now. There'll be a time that you will want to retire, so yes. So at least since I'm on my own, I work for myself, I don't have a 9 to 5 job that I have to wake up to. This is another way of making money round the clock while you're sleeping. Your money is working for you. Yes. Crypto millionaire, I actually invested in it. I made a video, this video, that I'm looking into more passive income. And to be honest, this video I'm going to share with you my portfolio, one investment that I did, and the other one, the million ones, which the token is like, I spent like not even up to $250. What I did was I actually bought it like every other person, and then when it went up, I sold it and I traded it into another coin before that one started falling. And to be honest, I'm happy I took my money that time, because it started going down. It's already like drastically down from when I bought it, but the new one I got is making me interest. And since then, I think it was September, October, yeah, I sold it October, and then October till now, I make more than half of what I invested in it. I invested $218 at the time. I sold it for a couple of like extra, and then now I invested in back in another crypto, and then that crypto is making me more money. Like every day I wake up, I see different, another value added to it. Hey, what if I added, like what if I've initially invested $1,000 on it? That let me see back, will I make me more than what I'm saying right now, what you're saying right now? So I did not invest in just one crypto. Like I split my money. Once I make profit from there, I put it into the other ones. That's what I do. And if it's bringing passive income, and if since I've already made my initial investment and I'm taking my initial investment out and I'm leaving the actual money, yeah, I am not lost. Yes. So that is that for the one that I made double on it. But the one that I'm now a millionaire, yes, a crypto millionaire. I've explained what crypto is, right? That is a motivational factor. Owning a crypto in a million tokens, like tokens. In the next few years, my tokens will have been off the roof, because I remember I was looking into investing in crypto for a while now, and I studied, I watch a lot of videos, mind you, And then once I see that I'm comfortable, I started with a little and I went up a notch. I took that risk and I'm not regretting it because it's something I can afford to lose. So when you're dealing with crypto, it's something you can afford to lose. Whatever happens to crypto in the future, I don't know. What's gonna happen? I don't know, but I'm just in it. I'm in it to win. And you know, it's an investment. When they say investment, I mean, you're investing your money, you never know. It could go wrong, it could go right, it could go south, you know. You're just doing what you understand. And see, listen to you. I used to listen to my instinct a lot. Like if you listen to your instinct, you're positive about things. The same thing with crypto. You have to listen to your instinct, be positive, and then go for it. So that is my crypto journey right now. I'm going to update you if anything change, and if you want to learn about it, I'll suggest you search, you research, you watch a lot of YouTube content. And it's not too late. Let me say this, it's not too late. If you want to get into crypto, passive income through crypto, you can do it. I mean, everybody's doing it. I mean, why not do it? So that is what I'm doing right now, part of my passive, making some passive by the way on that one. So that is just a, I mean, there's a fear of losing, but if you cannot afford your rent, don't go into crypto. Because, and if you're a panic seller, you will sell anytime it goes a little up. But you know, you have to study the market to know how to take profit. So that it's not a rocket science when you're dealing with it like a beginner. Yeah, it's not rocket science. But if you want to go a notch like being a pro, that you have to study. But for me, I am just in it to invest, make profit, and take profit. Yes, that's all. So that is it for my update on my portfolio, and I hope I mean you can give it a try if you want to. It's not that hard. So if you enjoyed this content and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, click that notification, and give this video a like. And I will see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.